How to download and add momentum extension on Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google and search for Chrome Store, click on Chrome Web Store and search for momentum like this, and click on the first option which have more ratings. It has more than 3 million users. Click on add to Chrome and click add extension, and then you will be able to add those inspirational photos and quotes. It's very good to have like those photos on your browser actually. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.